Yes, good morning everyone. As you can see, I'm going to be on a machining center. It's a YCM 1020. This machine has a FANUC control, an OI control. I'm going to turn it on. So in this video, what I want to teach you is how to create a bolt circle using a G16 command. I'm going to give you a quick look at the code that I created. So it's a real short program, and let me explain to you what I did here, and then I'll go ahead and just run this tool. I just have a tap in the machine, so I'm just going to, I'm not actually doing any cutting. I'm going to run the spindle up above the workpiece. So the G16 command, you have two codes, the X and the Y value. The X stands for the radius amount of your bolt circle. The Y axis, or the Y command, stands for the angle, the distance, or the angle between the holes. So what I did is I created a tool, a command. Let me come over here. I just positioned to the center of my workpiece, picked up my tool offset for tool 1. I gave the machine a command to turn the spindle on, and the M29 is basically just a rigid tap cycle. So my G84 is my tapping can cycle. I have a depth. I have a K value, which is saying do not tap. I'm skipping the tapping cycle at my first position, which is 0, 0. I have a feed rate. So I implemented the G16 and then an X and a Y. So that's going to be the radius of the bolt pattern. So it's a 2-inch radius, 4-inch diameter pattern. And then I have a G91 command with the Y. The Y, once again, stands for the angle. So I'm going to say the G91 is an incremental command. The Y says move 45 degrees. The K is being used to repeat 7 holes, 7 more holes. So it will drill the first one at the X 2 inches, Y 0. Every 45 degrees, it will drill another hole, 7 more. So I'm going to have 8 holes on a 2-inch radius. Then the G15 will actually cancel the G16. I cancel the coolant, hand cycle, and send the machine back up home and end the program. So anyway, I'm in my memory mode, and I'm going to demonstrate running this. There's the first hole. So rather than positioning in Cartesian coordinate moving XY axis, the machine does move XY, but I'm not programming each and every XY axis, movement. So the G16 stands for polar coordinate. Rather than Cartesian coordinate system, I'm in a polar coordinate system. So I'm programming a radius and an angle rather than a X and a Y value. So I'm hoping this video would help you. It's a nice little tip or a nice little shortcut on how to produce a bolt pattern without having to do any trig or any math. So once again, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.